Hello everyone, welcome to CrackU video series. In this video, we are going to discuss some important GK questions about the topic politics and governance. This video is part of our GK video series for the MBA entrance exams such as XAT, TISMET and CMET. You can check out the crash courses, mocks and previous papers of these exams on our website. The link to all these resources are mentioned in the description. You can check them out there. Now let's start the today's session. Select the option which is the correct arrangement of the Vice Presidents of India as per their tenure of office in chronological order. The correct answer is D, that is R. Venkatramana, then Shankar Dayal Sharma, then K.R. Narayana, then Krishnakant, then Bhairav Singh Shekhawat. So R. Venkatramana tenure is between 1910 to 2009. Given below are two statements. Statement first is Bodo is one of the scheduled language of India. Statement 2 is Nepali is one of the scheduled language of India. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. The correct answer is A, that is both statement first and statement second are correct. Means Bodo is one of the scheduled language of India and the Nepali is one of the scheduled language of India. Match the list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the list 1 is constitutional provisions and list 2 is adopted from. So the first is Charter of Fundamental Rights. The correct answer is United States Constitution. Then the second one is the idea of residual power is taken from Canadian Constitution. Then third one is the Planning Commission and 5-year plans. This is taken from Soviet Constitution. Enunciation of directive principles of state policy is Irish Constitution. So the correct answer is D. Given below are two statements. First statement is Indian Constitution uses the word minority to mean any sections of citizens having a distinct language, script or culture. The second statement, this may be a whole community living within a majority community. So in the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. The correct answer is A, that is both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Article 356 of the Constitution of India provides for, the correct answer is C, that is imposition of President's rule in a state. So President's rule is a suspension of state government and imposition of direct union government rule in a state. Under Article 356 of the Constitution of India, if a state government is unable to function according to constitutional provisions, the union government can take direct control of the state machinery. Which of the following do not come under the fundamental rights? The correct answer is right to property. Which of the following articles deals with right to constitutional remedies? The correct answer is A, that is Article 32. There is a right in India which states that a person can move to Supreme Court if he/she wants to get their fundamental rights protected. And this right comes under Article 32 for Supreme Court and Article 226 for the High Court. It is known as the right to constitutional remedies. The 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with dash. The correct answer is B, that is official languages. So the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the official languages in India. And there are 22 languages have been mentioned in the Indian Constitution. Which of the following finance ministers discontinued the tradition of representing the union budget and railway budget separately? The correct answer is B, that is Arun Jaitley. India was the only country with a separate railway budget in 2017. Arun Jaitley presented the first combined union budget. Under which article of Indian Constitution a constitutional amendment bill can be represented? The correct answer is C, that is Article 368. So the procedure of amendment in the Constitution is laid down Article 368 of the Constitution of India. Which of the following is not a type of veto power of the President? The correct answer is A, that is instant veto. So, the power of the President to refuse to approve a bill or joint resolution and prevents the enactment into law is the veto. The President has 10 days excluding Sundays to sign a bill. How many fundamental rights, including the right to property, were provided by the Constitution of India originally to its citizens? The correct answer is 7. There are 7 fundamental rights were originally provided by the Constitution. The first one is right to equality, right to freedom, then right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, right to property, and right to constitutional remedies. Suspension of fundamental rights during emergency was taken in the Indian Constitution from the Constitution of which of the following countries? The correct answer is D, that is Germany. What is the tenure of a panchayat? The correct answer is B, that is 5 years. Every Gram Panchayat shall continue for a term of 5 years from the date appointed for its first meeting. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution gives the power to promulgate ordinances? The correct answer is B, that is Article 123. An ordinance promulgated under this article shall have the same force and effect as an act of parliament. Niti Aayog replaced the Planning Commission on which of the following dates? The correct answer is C, that is 1st January 2015. So on 1st January 2015, a cabinet resolution was passed to replace the Planning Commission with the newly formed Niti Aayog, that is National Institution for Transforming India. And Union Government of India announced the formation of Niti Aayog on 1st January 2015. The National Parliamentary Body of China is known as, the correct answer is D, that is National People's Congress. So the National People's Congress of the People's Republic of China is constitutionally the supreme state authority and the national legislature of the People's Republic of China with 2,980 members in 2018, and it is the largest legislative body in the world. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? The correct answer is A, that is abolition of untouchability. So Article 17 of the Indian Constitution states that untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with the law. Offences related to religion are classified in which of the following sections? The correct answer is C, that is section 295 to 298. The Indian Penal Code deals with offences and punishment of offences relating to religion. No one can insult anyone's religion, beliefs, and any holy object of any religion. If anyone does do so, punishment is mentioned in the Indian Penal Code. Secular and socialist words were added in which of the following amendments? The correct answer is B, that is 42nd. The 42nd Amendment also amended preamble and changed the description of India from sovereign democratic republic to a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, and also changed the words unity of the nation to unity and integrity of the nation. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.